So, update on the things getting built. So originally, this little thing was how these got turned on the lathe. Clamp like that, stick in the chuck, spin it around, machine the edge. Which does an okay job. It's not really the best way to do that. But quickly, this is what I had available. So, that went to more. I took the time out and went, you know what? I need an arbor that actually holds these things straight, like that. And then you throw a washer on here to space it, and you screw that on. And that goes in the chuck, and this makes this perpendicular to the shaft, so it's not cockeyed getting machined. Only problem was, as I had mentioned before I posted that, I don't do a lot of threads, or haven't done a lot of threads on a lathe, and this was like probably the third or fourth one I'd done, and I kind of missed the mark on this, because you shouldn't be able to do that with a nut. It just, you know, and I didn't like the way it looked. It didn't come out terrifically well. So came back the next day, did another one. This one has a much nicer thread on it, and the nut barely moves. So now we have another round disc, and we still have this and this, and the quest has been how to make that stay. And now I have one more disc I can back on there if I need to. And in doing design work, you end up with pages of stuff to look through and try to figure out what the next step is. And that's where that is.